Hey, what's going on? This is Sergio here. I hope you're having a blessed day, an amazing day, and you're probably here because you want to finally find something real online. Finally find some type of way to succeed, find a way to make money, and you're here because you have a problem. You may be in debt, you maybe want to save up for a house, maybe you want to put your kids through college. You maybe even want to fire your boss and be your own boss to be able to control your own time for once, to be financially free, finally living life on your terms comfortably, especially with all this inflation stuff going around. I want to tell you it's possible. It's possible to achieve those things because I've been able to do it. And I'm nobody special. I'm a son born to immigrant parents who came here from Mexico, who all I knew growing up was work hard, go to school, go to college, get a job, and you'll live the dream. And I've done those things, and it's been a blessing, only to realize that it doesn't really work anymore. You get a degree and you get a job, and it's very low paying, and again with inflation, and you're working 40, 50, 60 hours a week, living paycheck to paycheck. It's like, this isn't life. This isn't what life is supposed to be like. And when I was a teacher, I would work 50 plus hours a week. I would kill myself mentally. I would be stressed and anxiety. And again, I'd get paid once a month. So I'd get paid, and the very next day, my full paycheck was gone. I had to wait another 30 days to get paid. And I was thinking, is this gonna be my life for the next 40, 50 plus years till I retire? Is this how I'm gonna spend my golden years, I guess you could say? Like, this isn't life. It's not worth it to work all this and then just, enjoy maybe 5, 6 years, 10 years of your life and then die. That's depressing. That's depressing. That's why I try to find ways to make money online, or find a way to succeed somehow. And one day I was scrolling through TikTok. My wife told me to download the app, and she's like, you'll laugh. This was back in 2020 when the pandemic was around. She goes, you'll have a good time, scrolling, laughing, whatever. And I started seeing people enjoying life, going on vacations, doing all this stuff. And I'm like, how is that them? And I'm over here stuck, stressing and struggling. And I told myself, if they can do it, why can't I? Why can't I do it? If I see somebody else succeeding, what is so different between me and them? And it was literally just information. Like there was a gap there. There was something blocking me from getting there. And that's whenever I decided, you know what, I'm gonna start doing digital marketing, because I saw people doing it. If they can do it, I can do it. And I did it 1 to 2 hours a day from my phone. At the time, I had my work computer. I was doing it in my classroom, and I was like, I know I wasn't supposed to do it, but I wanted to get ahead in life. And needless to say, within 30 days, I wanted to make an extra $1,000. I ended up making an extra $2,500 in my first 30 days. This was back in 2020. And I was thinking, this is real. This can really change my life. This is crazy. And I was like, this can be it. This can be it for me. And I thank God every day because of that method, because of that decision I took to finally start digital marketing. I've been able to leave my job as a teacher. I work from home now. I have my son that's asleep in the room. I get to greet him every morning when he wakes up. I get to take my oldest son to school and pick him up every day, something my parents were never able to do for me because they would work. I have paid off my home. I have paid off my truck. I have done things that I never thought were possible. I've done things that I didn't think I could do, that it would have taken me years and years to achieve and accomplish. I've taken road trips. I've taken vacations. I've done things for my family I never thought I could. And it's all because I took a chance. And again, I do this a few hours a day. So again, whether you want to be your own boss, whether you want to get out of debt, you want to save up to buy a home, whatever it may be, I want to tell you it's possible. It is so possible. And all it takes is a decision to make that change. And if you're with me this far, if you've made it this far, I want to show you the method that I've been using with my partner Philip. This is a method that I've been using, and it's been getting me great results online. And I'm going to show it to you right now. I'm going to pull up my computer. It's probably glary. You can probably see my skyline. Well, my future skyline. That's something I want to get in the future. That's a long-term plan of mine. I keep it there, you know, is like a vision. I'm manifesting here. And I want to show you the method, everything it entails to. Right now, you can get it for $0. You could get a 14-day trial for $0, and from there you could just pay monthly if that's something that you want to do and get access to. But I mean, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. Philip is somebody that I've met along my journey through mentorships and things like that. I mean, his story is amazing. He's gone from 20,000 in debt, living in a basement, to now he's up in the sky. He's living in Dubai right now. I mean, I'm telling you, you can go rags to riches, literally. And this is the simplest way, because you could do it a few hours a day from your phone. You don't have to deal with inventory. You don't have to process orders. You don't have to deal with employees. You're simply the middle person referring products online for companies, whatever it may be. I've done it with books, Amazon, educational programs, softwares, you name it, I've been able to do it. Once you learn the skills, you can make money wherever you want. But let me show you what you can get access to so you can actually learn it yourself. Hey, what's going on? I am so glad to see you back with me. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you what you can get access to. You probably have clicked on my link and you're like, okay, I saw this video with Philip. You probably clicked here so you can get more information on the 14-day free trial, but you're still wanting to know, okay, how does this work? What is it exactly that I'm going to get access to? I like to show this to you because, like me, I'm a skeptical person. Again, I've been scammed in the past. I'm pretty sure you probably have been as well. So that's why you were probably skeptical. And I want to keep you informed. Overall, this is for you to be able to make an informed decision so you can see if this is something you want to do or not. Again, this is digital marketing. I've been doing it since 2020 when I was a teacher. And I used to do it a few hours a day. I still do it. But this is what you get access to. It's basically a website. It's called School. And it's a website, but you'll also have it as an app. Like I can even show you right here. Where's my School app? Here we go. So what I like is that not only can you do it from your computer, you can do it from your phone. There we go. You can do it from your phone. It's an app you could do. But basically, it's a community where instead of having to, log into Facebook and learn things there or whatever, it's all on one platform. At the moment of this video of me recording it, there's 3.9K members. You can see 85 are online, there's admins. So basically, you're part of a community here where you can ask questions. If you get stuck, if you need help, you have all of that here. So as you can see, people are posting this 6 minutes ago, 26 days ago. Look at this type of interactions. One thing I like is that whenever I first started, I didn't really have a lot of help. And here, you do. You have a full community, and it's really, really easy to navigate. Like there's this, it's called the classroom. In the classroom, you get something like this. As you can see, it shows your progress as you're going through it. Oh, look, that's something, that's a bonus. They can even pay for your dream car every month here. That's something, I could explain that later on though. But this is what I like, is everything is literally laid out step by step, short, straight to the point videos that you could follow along with. Again, you could be a college student, you could be in your 60s or 70s, retired. You can follow along with this. It's very, very simple, straight to the point. I know some people have ADHD, they get off task really easily. I've spoken to those people. They've dove into this, and they love it. They're loving it. You get welcomed in here. Literally, you get to see how to maneuver through the whole website, just like I'm showing you. I'm giving you kind of like a summary of it, just so you can, get a hang of it. And literally, all these videos, I mean, they're 3-4 minutes. This is one of the most important things here. You get daily Q&A calls. There are calls here that you can attend from 6, 7, and 8-figure earners online. So if you are a beginner, you can join in on those, learn as fast as possible. If you are somebody who has got results, or maybe you're stuck, you can join these calls to see what they're doing so you can go to the next level. That is what I love about this. You get access to this. Again, you could try this out for free for 14 days. I have some people who are doing this and they're loving it. They are loving it. let's see here. You dive in mentality wise, because a lot of places, one thing I've discovered is they don't really show you how to succeed for the long term. They show you, okay, this is what you need to do here, but they never tell you why. Here, it's interactive. So you are shown how to finally change your mindset, because right now, again, you probably want to get out of debt. You probably want to fire your boss. You probably are tired of it and you're ready to change something and get into something new. This is where you can get that help. I mean, there's a bunch of things. There's a book recommendation, things like that. But one of my favorites is this right here. Let's get started. Because there's a lot of tech stuff that goes into place when it comes to digital marketing, and nobody really shows you how to do it step by step. Here, you literally get it done. How to get the proper tools, how to set it up, how to even get your affiliate links. This is what I love. You can be up and running in literally a few days if you wanted to. I've had people who have done this, who have jumped in, they've made $3,000 in 30 hours. That is insane. It took me 30 days to make $2,500, and now people are able to do it in a matter of hours. There are people who have made $10,000 in 30 days. Some people make nothing. And the reason they don't make anything is because they don't stick to this. They don't follow what's being taught. What I've learned is those that actually dive in, they stick with it, and they implement it step by step, those are the ones that succeed sooner or later. There's no secret. There's no cheat code. It really is follow the steps, implement it, replicate it, and it can be done. Another thing I've learned is that if you want to do something, find somebody else that's already done it. I wanted to learn how to make 6 figures online, so I found somebody that did it, and I've been able to replicate their model. This is exactly what you can do here. But again, you can do this without having to leave your home. You can do it from your car. You can do it while you're at lunch at work, like I used to do. I used to do this for my classroom, but again, when I started, it was so hard. It was nothing like this. This is super simple. You are shown how to set everything up. You were given the tools already. You just got to replicate it. That's it. You're shown how to get traffic. You're shown how to actually post online on social media with or without showing your face. So that is one other beauty. Me, again, I never had social media before. When I first started, I was super self-conscious. I was afraid of what family would say. I was afraid of what friends would say. But I mean, I broke past my comfort zone and look where I am now. I mean, it's amazing. But you are shown how to, make money with TikTok. You can do it with Instagram. You're shown what type of content to promote. Everything is literally done for you here. Like, you just got to go in there and do it. See, they're shown what type of content to promote to get results, and to get results fast. That's the thing. What type of hashtags, because you may not even know what hashtags is. You're shown literally what it is right here. How to shoot reels so you can post them online. If you're not in the USA, you have a tab there to show you what to do if you're not in the USA. How to use TikTok for massive growth, side hustle videos. There's even people like testimonials here from people who have made $100K in less than 100 days, and it's implemented these exact models. You get all of that. You can do it with the free trial. You can finish this in 14 days if you wanted to, and get up and running, start making some money. But one thing I wanted to get into is, some of you may not want to show your face. You may be self-conscious. Now, you actually can use AI. You can use artificial intelligence. My cat's going crazy back here. You can use artificial intelligence to your advantage now, where you don't have to show your face. There's some people here who are doing this with artificial intelligence, not showing their face, and they're making 50K. It's mind-blowing. Literally everything dives in step by step. Promote any offer. You're shown how to choose your own products, promote whatever you want. That is the beauty here. You get to promote whatever you want. You have that freedom. And if you go to calendar, there's actually a calendar of weekly calls you get access to. I mean, that alone right there, that's worth thousands. I've paid thousands to just have access to one weekly call a month, and it was nowhere as helpful as it is here. You get it You get to start it for $0, 14-day free trial. Now, if you wanted, I believe you got to see this video with Philip, and you probably got to click on this link here where it shows you, how to sign up. It shows you all of these bonuses that you get. This stuff is all, it's crazy. It's worth 40,000. But my favorite thing is the step-by-step lessons. You get to have a one-on-one strategy call with the head coach. That is one of my favorite things. You get the tutorials, but the 17 live calls every week that you get access to. That is one of my favorite things right there. It's like having a cheat code there. You're stuck. Okay, here's help. That's what I love. Now, you can start it again. This is what it shows. After the 14-day free trial, it's $97 a month, but you can cancel anytime. There's no questions asked here. You can start it. You say, hey, this is for me. I want to keep going. You can get access to that. If you start it and you don't like it, you can cancel, no questions asked. What more do you have to lose? There's really no risk involved here anymore. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars to get access to things like this and wonder, this is not for me. And say, okay, I don't want to do this. You can test drive this whole method and see if it's for you. So I want to clear this up because it has confused some people that I've talked to. Again, it's $0 for the first 14 days. After 14 days, you're charged $97 a month. So after 14 days, so right now I'm recording this on the 10th of January. So 14 days from now, I guess that would be what, the 24th? After the 24th, that's when you're going to get charged $97. And from there, it's every 30 days until you cancel or you keep it as long as you want. That is how this works right here. Because I wanted to clear that up because it confused some people. But my main thing is I wanted to give you like a little, dive in real quick to show you exactly what it's about, what it looks like. Then I can go through here, members, leaderboards. It shows, your levels. You're level 2 right now. They'll pay for your dream car. Every time you level up and complete different lessons, you get to unlock different things here. So, the sky's the limit, honestly. The sky is the limit for what you want to do. You can get it all done here, but ultimately you make the decision if this is something for you. There's a lot more stuff I could have shown you there, but I didn't want to make that too long for you because, you're probably busy. You're probably working. You're probably putting the kids to bed. I don't know. But I didn't want to, keep that going for hours and hours. That's the gist of what this contains. And again, there's so much more that you get access to. And again, this is something that's worth a ton of money, but you get access to it for, very, 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 very low price. It's crazy. It's mind-blowing, really. Now, ultimately, again, you have to decide if it's for you. Now, it just really comes down to you making the decision if this is something you want to dive into. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to respond. Send me a message. I respond to everybody. One thing that I've always wanted to do is I wanted to show people something that really worked. And this works. But again, you have to decide if it's for you. This can truly change your life. But if you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, if you are ready to take action, you really want to sign up, you're like, okay, I'm ready, I want to look into this myself, just click on the button below. It will take you to where you can see that video with Philip again if you want to, but you can be able to sign up. And if you have any questions, again, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you on the other side. Now, let's make this year let's make this year your year. You can be the next 6-figure earner online or more, but it's up to you. So let's go.